Alright guys, welcome back to the Fidget Spinner 2026 tournament. This is gonna be a yearly thing. Maybe, probably not. So we got this guy, we got this guy, and then this guy. Let's see who wins this tournament of 2026. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. 1. Oh shit. 2, 3. Alright. Weak start from you. Totally wasn't my bad spin. Alright, so we got these two left. Oh boy, who's gonna win this one? This is so intense. Oh my god. Oh my god. Uh-oh. Wait, what? It's gonna be you? And not you? Wait a minute. Oh. Wait, it's gonna be close. Oh my god. Who's it gonna be? It's gonna be a tie? Wait a minute. Oh my god. Wow. Congrats. Check my hand. See you next year.